We need a stellar plan for finally taking down the heroes. Well.
What is it? Let me see.
It's time to sow chaos, fury style.
Ooh, I like how that sounds.
We'll need the help of a few supervillains to pull this off.
There's nothing I like more than throwing a wet blanket on the hero's fun.
Check out this gadget. KAKRUBOM, would you do the honors?
Ha!
We'll steal the sun and leave KAZOOM City in shadow. And dance in the opening day of sun and swimming pools. Who could ask for more? Balloon? This is gonna be the best summer of our lives.
Where's the sun? Brr, so cold.
I think this must be the villain's doing.
Burger Blast, you stay here and help the things. Guitarific and Kickstart go with Air Punch on the ground. I'll take to the sky with KAZOOM Kid.
Let's go.
Get ready to cut down the weeds. Bring the light back to KAZOOM City, Fury Storm. Yeah, and how are you gonna make it? See? It's better in the shade. I'm trapped. I can't activate Superbot controls.
Oh, look over there!
Let's rescue the summer. Come on, kids.
Lights all around!
Bravo, kids! We have done it!
I'm going to put an end to you anyway, KAZOOM Power. KAZOOM Storm!
So relaxing.
To the one!
Cannonball! And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Dođi, posjetitelje iGRANDiA čeka poklon igračka.